everyone. In today's video, we'll be looking at Class 9, Chapter 1, Number System. The first thing we need to know regarding number system is some of the sets of number. The first set would be natural numbers. So, natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers are called natural numbers. So, you need to remember that the counting numbers are called natural numbers and it is denoted by the letter N, and the set belongs the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 up till infinity. So, the next set is the set of whole numbers. So, this is nothing but all natural numbers along with the number 0 are called whole numbers. So, all the natural numbers including the number 0. Including the number 0 is called natural numbers. So, it is denoted by the letter W. So, this set includes numbers starting with 0, 1, 2 and it will go on till infinity. The next concept we have is integers, that is the next set of numbers. In integers we have the collection of whole numbers and negative numbers is called integer. So, in this we are not only including whole numbers, but along with whole numbers we are also including the negative numbers. So, that is called as integers. You denote this by the letter Z. You denote this by the letter Z, and in this all the numbers from your whole number set, that is from 0, 1, 2, 3 up till infinity, those numbers and also the negative numbers are included. The next set of numbers is rational numbers. So, the numbers which can be expressed in the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0, p and q are integers, is called rational numbers. So, you need to remember it should be expressed in the form p by q, and these are the conditions that you need to remember. If it is expressed in this form, then we call those numbers as rational numbers. So, it is denoted by the letter q. So, all the numbers including integers and also the numbers which can be written in p by q form is known as rational numbers. It is represented by the alphabet q. We need to note that every integer is a rational number. The next set of numbers is irrational numbers. So, we learned regarding rational numbers, whereas irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be represented or expressed in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. So, here also it cannot be expressed, right? We had the condition there p by q, but here irrational numbers cannot be expressed in the form of p by q form. So, the numbers such as root 2, root 3, pi, cube root of 6 or any kind of prime roots is irrational numbers. So, the next set of numbers is real numbers. So far we saw natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. All these numbers are included in real numbers. So, we say the collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. It is denoted by the letter R, including all these numbers. If you see here, pi is an irrational number, 0.6 decimal number which can be written in a rational number form, negative, so integers, 0. So, all the numbers are included in real numbers. Now, let us look at the exercise 11.1 from your textbook. So, your first exercise, that is 1.1, first question goes like, is 0 a rational number? Can we write it in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So, they are asking us whether we can write 0 as in the form p by q. So, first we need to know whether 0 is a rational number or not. So, we had the condition, so we should be able to write it as in p by q form. So, if you see, 0 can be written in the form p by q. So, we can write in the solution, yes, we can write 0 in the form p by q in many different ways. So few of the examples are 0 by 3, 0 by minus 5. We can write it in any form. So only we should make sure that the denominator is not 0. Other than that, 0 divided by any number is equal to 0 itself. So we can write it in P by Q form. Next question is, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So in solution we'll write, we have the number 3 here. So we can write 3 is equal to 3 divided by 1, right? We can write any number, any whole number in the form P by Q simply by dividing it by 1. See, now here they have mentioned 6 rational numbers. So what you can do is you can simply multiply this by 7 to both numerator and denominator. After multiplying it by 7, you will get, this is nothing but 7 3s are 21 divided by 7. Similarly, we can write 4 is equal to 4 divided by 1, and multiplying both numerator and denominator by 7, we will get the answer as 28 by 7. Now if you see, you have 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. There are exactly 6 rational numbers between these two numbers. So we can write, therefore the 6 rational numbers lying between 3 and 4 are, so first number was 21 by 7, so we can't include 21 by 7. We need to include the next number, so that would be 22 by 7. After that, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. If you notice here, the next number would be 28 by 7. They are asking us to find out lying between. So we can't include 28 by 7 and we can't include 21 by 7. So we should find it exactly lying between these two numbers. So these are our 6 rational numbers. So we'll go to the next question. So that says, find the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. The previous question were the whole numbers. Now you have rational numbers. I am speaking about the number 3 and 4. Those were the whole numbers, whereas 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are our rational numbers. In between these two numbers, we have to find the 5 rational numbers. In solution, we will write, we have, so we have a first number 3 by 5. So we will write that 3 by 5 is equal to, since they are asking us 5 rational numbers, we will multiply this both numerator and denominator by 6. We will get the answer as 6 3s are 18 divided by 30. Similarly, the number 4 by 5, we will write 4 by 5. 5 rational numbers, so one more than that, into 6 into 6. So you will get 4 6 are 24 divided by 30. So we can write, therefore 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are, here you have 18, so the next number would be 19 divided by 30, 20 divided by 30, 21 divided by 30, 22 divided by 30, 23 divided by 30. So 18 by 30, 24 by 30 is not included. So the number between them are these. So if you see, you are getting exactly 5 rational numbers. So we'll go to the next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answers. So the first question is, every natural number is a whole number. So every natural number, so our natural number starts with the number 1 and it goes up to infinity. Similarly, whole numbers start from 0 to infinity. So the number 1 to infinity are included in whole numbers. So we can write in solution as true. So our statement is true, and the reason would be, because the collection of whole numbers contain all the natural numbers. So the next question is, every integer is a whole number. So if at all you consider the integers, those include the negative numbers. So you have -3, -2, supposing you take as an example. So every integer is a whole number. So not all integers are whole numbers. So you get the solution as false. You get the solution as false, and the reason would be because the negative numbers are not included in whole numbers. So we'll go to the next question. So the next question is, every rational number is a whole number. So if at all you are considering the rational number, say -6/3. Okay, -6/3 is a rational number because we have denoted it in the form p by q. Q is not equal to 0 and p and q both are integers. Okay, so that is not a whole number. So you'll get the solution as false, and the reason would be, another reason would be because the rational number which gives decimal value on division, such values are not included in the collection of whole numbers. Supposing the number, say 5/2, when you divide 5/2 you will get the answer as 2.5. Such values are not included in whole number.